Okay, so I've got my mags ready. They have been painted, and this is what I'm looking for. So I've got them in the jigs that I got from Laserworks, and we are going to let it rub now. These are base coated with a brown, then black over the top, and I'm doing a removal of the black to reveal the brown underneath. In doing that, it bleaches the brown into this tan you're seeing. Yeah, I'm liking that. Looks like it's working pretty well. These will be on my website, stallioncoatings.com, just as soon as I can get them finished and get them loaded. Thanks for watching. Bye.